Hi, I'm Andrew. I lead our discovery process here at Onsharp. What is discovery? Discovery is the chance for us to sit down and go through how to best understand how we can meet your needs. We do this through a series of conversations where we engage key stakeholders from your organization based on the topic of discussion. For example, you may not need someone from IT in the marketing automation conversation, but we lay that all out ahead of time. So before we come into these meetings, you're aware of who should be at the table for the conversation. We'll start this process with a discovery kickoff meeting. This is really my introduction to the customer from sales, and it's our opportunity to meet each other, meet the team. It is an opportunity for us to sit down and understand what integrations exist that we may need to carry over. The Your Brand Standards and Content meeting is understanding your existing brand. This is not a branding session, but this is a chance for people who have brand kits and brand standards to share those things with us, share digital assets that we're going to need for content. So not a branding session per se where we sit down and develop a brand, but more of a what is in place today and how are we going to represent your brand in your new app or your new site or whatever it is we're building. Yeah, the scope of work review is the most straightforward of the meetings. This is where we'll sit down and together we'll review all of the user stories that have been put together throughout discovery, any additional technical requirements that go alongside that, timeline and effort estimates. At the conclusion of discovery and after we've reviewed all the documentation, they can take that back to their team and then they re-engage with our sales team to understand what next steps look like.